I'm back, and now I'm going to explain to you part 2, the fall picture part. Pretty much you follow the directions that are here that are written, but I want to go over a couple things. Plot your points as mentioned, and number 3, notice it says to use a straight line to connect the first point to the second. Moving on down, I also want to point down in number 7 that it says if the first and the last point of the shape have the same coordinates, the shape is closed. If the first and last points of the shape have different coordinates, the shape is open. So do not connect points from one shape to points from another shape unless their coordinates are the same or the lines intersect. So you go through and read the rest to follow the directions, and here are the different shapes. On the number line that was attached, you need to go through and also number the number lines. Your x-axis, make sure you have your positive numbers going on the right and your negative numbers on the left. I did not finish mine, but you need to finish yours. On your y-axis, positive numbers going up, your negative numbers going down. And I'm going to go ahead and do the first shape for you so you know how to do this. So looking at shape number 1, it says to plot 0, 1. So I start with 0 and I go up 1 because that's on my y-axis, the second number. The next number is what the coordinate pair is 1, negative 2. So I'm going to go on my x-axis to 1, down to negative 2. Point 1 and point 2, I'm now going to connect with a straight line. It's good to use a ruler if you have one. Then my next point is negative 1 and negative 2. So I go over 1, negative 1, and down negative 2. I'm now going to connect point 2 to point 3. The last point, the fourth point, is 0, 1. Go over to 0 and 1, which is the same. So I'm now going to connect point 3 to point 4, and I now have a closed shape. Good luck to you. Finish the rest of the shapes, and I'll be anxious to see how successful you were at completing the mystery shape.